We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy, so when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.